Hello friends, today we are presenting our project on online payment system using REST API. First the question arises, what is REST? REST basically stands for Representational State Transfer. It is an architectural style often used for development of web services. This is our goal which we are doing in our project, as we are making our web service which interacts with the bank API and help in the transaction with the use of HTTP protocol. And after getting transaction, the customer can purchase the product from the online shopping site. This is some of the given example how to access the data from our database. These are terminology which are using Apache 2.2 web server, Python 2.7.3, Node.js, Django, MySQL. These are some characteristics of the REST API. As you can see, and constraints of the REST API we have explained it earlier. Now this is our first page, that first which look like this. The name of the app is EasyPay. This is our login page and our transaction page. This is our sign up page. Now I am showing you the demo of my project. This is how our contact form look like. Basically it is for any queries or any problem faced by any customer. This is our login page from which the user can log in into his account, and this is our online portal from which all the transaction has to be done. You can see that there is a email ID option here, then billing information, then after that shipping information, then after that payment gateway is there. And this is the finalization of the order, like this you can see.
Hello guys, now I will show you how to install Django and mod.wsgi with configuring our mod.wsgi file and Django also with the Apache 2 pre-installed in my Linux distro. So first of all we need to get Python dev. So command for installing Python dev is this: sudo apt get install Python dev. It's a development feature of Python, which is not a common thing with the normal Python. So you need to install it again. So next we are going to install lib apache to mod.wsgi. This is the library which binds Apache 2 and mod.wsgi. So this is the command. I had already installed it earlier, so I'll just do it quickly. So this is the command: sudo apt get install lib apache 2 mod wsgi. So it's already installed in my system. Just click yes for you to get installed. Then I'll install Apache 2 prefork. Apache 2 prefork dev. So this is the command for installing it. Let me clear my screen a little bit. Next we will install Apache 2 thread dev. So Apache 2 thread dev is over here. So install it. The last two commands which I had shown you are basically used by Apache. They are mostly built in most of the flavors of Linux, but it's for error-prone reasons that you should install it again. So if it's already installed, it will show you as it's shown on the screen that it's already installed, else it will get installed automatically. Next, I'll download mod.wsgi files from Google Code. So I'm already in the USR SRC. It's not compulsion to download it over here, but you can download it. It's a good practice. So just move over from root to this folder USR SRC and then download it using the wget command. So this is the wget command. So this is the URL from where you can download it. I'm so sorry that my internet is not working right now, so it's not able to download it, but so I have it in my folder. Here it is. So here's our mod.wsgi. So we'll unzip it using tar command on the commanding or using any standard archive manager. So I have done this before. So this is how it looks like. So just open a terminal, just run this command, which is I'm running the shell script, the shell configure script. So it configures, like I told you, APSX. So it doesn't show any error if you did those two commands correctly. Then it shows that it has already created a make file, so we will just install the make. Sorry, it's make install. Yeah, it will show some error, but we don't need to worry about that. It's normal. So next, what we will do is we will install Django. So let's start with installing Django. So this is the command to install Django. Oops, I'll write it down. Sudo pip install Django equal to 1.4. So the Django version which I am using is 1.4, and you can see requirement already satisfied because I have already installed Django in my system. So basically now we need to create a Django project, and then we'll configure the Apache. So for Apache takes all its projects from this directory var www, and over here you can create your project. So we will just open a terminal over here, and we will just say Django admin.py start project easypay. As you can see, okay, so it gives an error. This is because easypay is already over here, this directory is already over here. So this is the command to create and start a project, a Django project. So this is how it looks like. This is easypay. Forget about this is created by me. So easypay, and these are the files. It will compile when you will start it on the Apache server. This .pyc will be shown when you start on the Apache server. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So next, what we need to do is we need to configure our Apache module, Apache configuration files. So the Apache folder is available in etc Apache 2, like here, and then we have sites. Then we have over here. So there are two main features: sites available and sites enabled. Sites enabled are the files which are enabled currently in Django, and we need to disable those files and create a new configuration file with the requirements and the contents in mind with our project. So as you can see, sites enabled is okay. So this is sites available. So I have already created one easypay.conf. So now I'll show you how to make the easypay.conf file. So this is basically the Apache content which we have to write. So virtual host is basically the virtual host on which we are hosting. 80 means the port number for the normal HTTP. Server name is localhost, or if you want to give any dedicated like something example.com, then you have to change your host file also. This is server alias, same localhost. This is a document root where we had created our project, and this is the WSGI script. As you can, like, it's available by default in, as you can see over here, it's available by default. It's created and initialized by Django itself. This is the WSGI file. Okay. Now what we have to do is so this is alias static. We have to create a static folder where we will put all our HTML, CSS and JavaScript or any other front-end files, where we'll put basically our static files. That's the main concept for this. So we'll create a static folder in our project directory. So this is the static folder. Then for the specified easypay directory, we say that allow from all IP addresses, and there are only two operations: order means two operations, allow or deny. No other operations are there. We don't want to specify any other operation. So allow from all. Then that thing is closed. Error logs and custom logs are basically helpful in debugging process and determining where did your code went wrong, or what happened to Apache server when it was interacting. So we'll create a logs folder, and in there we will create an error.log file. and we'll create a custom.log file outside the log folder. Okay, so this is what the custom file will do. Then we need to load it into Apache. So there are two commands, a2 inside and a2 dissite. First of all, we need to disconfigure or remove the file which has the default file which is already uploaded in the Apache, the default configuration file of Apache. So this is how it looks if we open our localhost. So it looks like this, but we don't want this. We want our Django project to be opened when we go with this. Okay. So if I do an easy pay, it shows the directories. It doesn't show the WSDL script running. Okay. So we want to convert it into the default page. So what we will do is we'll do a2 dissite. This is the command, and we will write default. So as you can see, site default disabled. Now we need to do is a2 inside. This is the command, and we load our easypay.conf file. So it is loaded, but we need to reload our Apache service. So we will do service apache 2 restart. So it will restart our Apache server. So now what it looks like, tada, it's our Django project has been initialized. But as you can see, our local host is still showing the earlier page. But if you want to change it, then you have to configure the local host with the default thing. But for my convenience, I have done it like local host and in that easypay. So now I will basically show you how to create an app. So go to easypay, open a terminal over here, and say Python manage.py start app, and suppose let's say Karan. Okay, so it creates an app named Karan over here, as you can see. So it contains the views are basically how to handle the requests. The model is basically the database which we are going to construct, and then sync our database with the what do you call the PHP database. And this is the test is basically for debugging purposes. So thank you for watching our video. Now I'll show you how to install the database, the GUI of the database. I'll be using MySQL, which is pre-installed in this. So you can do it like apt get install php myadmin. As you can see, it's already built. It's to the newest version, so it will not install. So you can access it like this, php myadmin. So this is the folder. So you will have to create the authentication part. So this is my project's database. This is easypay, which is the database, and these are the files like accounts. This is the structure. Like it is basically API to ID. API to ID means basically the sites on which our API is being hosted, or the sites which are using our API. Bank is basically a pseudo bank. For our project, bank to ID is again the ID which will help us to find out the transaction with which bank we have done. Site payment is basically the payment details I have to build it, and user info is basically the user information.